Alright guys, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to make some positions on the platform. So there's been, depending on how you feel about the dollar and about all these various currencies, you're going to choose the sort of the optimal position. So if we're looking at the euro dollar and you feel that the dollar is going to continue to climb, you can place or the euro dollar is going to continue to climb, the euro will continue to climb, you'll place a call position. So we'll put that in right there. And if you feel that, and if you're looking at other currencies and you feel that the dollar yen will go down, you'll place a put. So we can place a put there and there, so that we have now two official sort of call put positions. Now let's take a look at some other asset classes as well. So we have one touch positions in addition. So for the Great British Pound US dollar, if you feel that it will hit this value, you can essentially you can click touch and place a position right there. And now, yeah, so looking at the Aussie dollar US dollar now, and we'll see if we believe that it will hit this threshold, then we'll click touch, and if we don't, we'll do no touch. But let's do a touch on this as well. So right there, it's our next position. And then let's do some boundaries as well, so we get a feel of what's exactly going on. So we also have an Aussie dollar US dollar boundary, and we may not want to take this one exactly right now, so let's possibly hold off on these and let's sort of deal with the positions we have first. As you can see, our Great British Pound US dollar position came in the money, so that's very good, and we're just going to keep monitoring the rest of our trades. So we can see here our Aussie US dollar has just hit the target, the touch target, and so it's also come in the money. And so that's it. When you're dealing with a one-touch option, if it hits the target, then it expires immediately and closes despite the remaining expiry time. The idea is if you have placed it on the no-touch side of the position, that's when you have to wait the whole expiry, and if it does not touch, then you'll get the return. So right now we have two in-the-money trades, and then we're waiting on our other two trades right here, and it's about to calculate those in a second. So you can see here that pretty much we're in pretty good shape for the euro dollar, so we're in the money. Our dollar yen we were not so successful with, but ultimately 3 out of 4 trades, 75% win percentage, that puts us in pretty good shape, and that's definitely something we should be proud of. Okay, there we are. So there's our list of returns. You can see all the returns we've received, and the return for our losing trade is 0, but other than that we're very much in the profit here. So we've done good, and this is essentially how we're using the platform. So when some boundary trades open, we might place some of those, but in the meantime, this is essentially how the platform's working.